Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tate token. Now the Tate token just got listed here on CoinMarketCap just a few minutes ago. TateTokenETH.com is their official webpage. This is a brand new Ethereum token based on Mr. Tate. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, TateTokenETH.com is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap. This token's up 61% right now. Just got listed, so I'm sure it's going to do very well for the next little bit, of course, and then we'll see what happens after that. But they do have a full white paper here listed on CoinMarketCap. They have their Etherscan on here. They have a Twitter. Tate Token ETH is their Twitter. They have a Telegram. Their Telegram is TateECN20. And yeah, besides that, this is an Ethereum token. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Tate token using the contract address that you could find on TateTokenETH.com or their Etherscan, which is also on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on CoinMarketCap or their white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So, it says here they have an 8-page white paper, so it's not crazy long or anything like that. It says, the only meme coin to escape the matrix. Words from the founders. Now, it's very tiny print on here. Let's see, maybe you can magnify it here. Okay, anyways. Words from the founders. We want to make it clear that this white paper is meant... Okay, so that's how I magnify it. There we go. This white paper is meant for individuals who are serious about supporting the Tate token cause. If you're not willing to put in the effort to support the mission, then this document is not for you. We are building a community of like-minded individuals who are ready to break free from the mundane and achieve financial independence. So if you're not ready to join us on this journey, then please step aside and continue living your lazy life. But for those who are ready to take action and make a change, we welcome you with open arms. Together we will create a brighter future for all. We want to emphasize that while we are staunch supporters of Tate, we are not officially affiliated with him or his team. Of course not. Tate Token is a personal project that we have undertaken to promote the values of financial freedom and independence that Tate stands for. Our goal is to create a community of individuals who share our vision and are committed to making a positive change in the world. We believe that the power of crypto and blockchain technology can help us achieve this goal, and that's what we've created for the Tate token. So if you're ready to join us on this journey, then welcome to our community with open arms. Together we can foster free minds and make the revolution possible. So the Tate token is a groundbreaking crypto token that caters to the needs of Tate's fans and enthusiasts. It has been created to provide a dynamic platform for fans to interact and engage and participate in various activities using the Tate token. Holding Tate token will grant you access to unique use cases that will help you break free from the matrix and achieve financial independence. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 and has undergone vigorous security audits to ensure the safety and security of our users. Our zero tax policy, so you most likely will not have to change your slippage if you are going to get this token off of Uniswap. Complete transparency and commitment to building a diverse and robust community make Tate token a unique and exciting investment opportunity for anyone looking to join the crypto revolution. 6.5% global unemployment rate, it says. A 6.5% unemployment rate in the world means that roughly 267 million people are without work. This number is significant and has far-reaching implications for both individuals and society as a whole. Unemployment can lead to poverty, mental health issues, and social unrest. It has an impact on economic growth and stability. In addition to the staggering unemployment rates around the world, poverty is also a major issue affecting millions of people. According to the World Bank, over 700 million people live in extreme poverty, surviving on less than $2.15 per day. In the U.S. alone, nearly 38 million people live in poverty. Embracing Web3 and the Tate token community to achieve financial freedom. It's time to wake up and realize that your life isn't about sitting around and just waiting for opportunities to come to you. In today's world, opportunities are not handed out, but rather they need to be sought after and fought after. You need to be willing to take risks, learn new things, and adapt to changing circumstances. The key is persistence, stay positive, keep pushing forward. Success doesn't come easy, but with hard work and determination, you can achieve your goals and thrive in a challenging business market. Developing a business has never been easier with Web3. The traditional way of earning money through a 9-to-5 job is not the only way to achieve financial freedom. We need to break free from the matrix that limits our potential and makes us believe that working for someone else is not the only option. It's time to take risks and create our own opportunities. The Tate token community fosters a mindset of freedom and provides an open network for individuals to start businesses and collaborate with each other. Tate has already opened many eyes to the possibilities of Web3, and it's now our mission to continue spreading this message and empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. So the tokenomics. At Tate Token, our objective is to deliver a dynamic and interactive community environment that offers measurable rewards to our token holders. In this regard, we present to you the following tokenomics of the Tate token. The Tate token has a total supply of, that is a lot of tokens here, 333 trillion tokens. ERC20 token, the total supply is fixed, and holding Tate will grant you access to a range of exclusive benefits and use cases. So 87% of the tokens go to the liquidity pools and is locked. 10% of the tokens have been allocated for team development and marketing. 3% of the tokens will be allocated to airdrops for exclusive partner tokens and NFT holders. And then 3% goes to, that is it. So those are the tokenomics, just split up there. So participation and contribution, it says participating in beta tests and other activities to improve our products and services, creating content such as articles, videos, and graphics to promote Tate and our network, referring new members to the community, promoting Tate and our network on social media and other platforms, providing feedback on our new products and services, and joining and engaging in the Twitter, Telegram, and Discord community. You are eligible for future rewards from the Tate token. So being an active participant is important, it says. So there's zero taxes. They say they have security and audit, but where is it? I'm not sure. Yeah, where's the audit? So it says, okay, so in their roadmap, they're going to plan to have an audit somewhere in there. I don't even know if they have a roadmap yet. Use cases and roadmap. Okay, so their roadmap is just paragraphs. It's not an actual straightforward cliff notes, But yeah, so they're going to eventually have an audit, so they don't have one yet. So be aware of that. They don't have an audit. I don't know if they have a KYC either. Yeah, not much security as of yet. This is very much a meme token. Not lots of use cases besides community stuff. And yeah, now it's up 93%, just like I thought. It just got listed, so it's going bananas right now. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Tate token? Do you think this is a good investment? or not. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Stay tuned for more Pepe videos because there's so many Pepe tokens out here that my head is going to explode. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.